now this is the 5th time we are running this SAP Inside Track, and I'm very happy that it still attracts new people and that they come here because they have heard about it, about the successful and interesting days we are running here. People were telling me this morning they came because always the Twitter stream goes up if there's an SAP Inside Track somewhere going on, and so they decided to pop in and to see what's going on.
It's a kind of family because we meet sometimes the same people every year, but on the other side we have always new people here. So it's a kind of family because we are working in the same area and have the same interests, and we all having our free time or spending our free time here and to have an exchange.
So we launched the community at Sapphire. We are now in an open beta, and all of the community members come and see and experience what we have built for them over the last 2 years. It's now an integral part of SAP.com, and we provide, again, blogging and Q&A functionality, but now with much better tools. And it's all built in a modern software cloud environment, and you have all the social features that you would usually expect. And with that open beta now, what we provide the community is a feedback channel where they can also tell us what they want to see, how the community should evolve and which new features should be added, and that will have a direct influence on how we develop the community in the future.
There's not the single one benefit of community working, I guess, but there is lots of positive outcomes if you address a company not only as a field which you own and is your area of responsibility, but if you address all the networking partners you have a connection with as the whole company. And if you do so and care for their wishes and needs as well, I think you have, in the long term, a more smarter company, because you can build into the decision-making process more wishes and needs of all the people. Then you have a more social company, because everybody should be cared for, and there's, in our case, consensus democracy, so you can veto a single decision with just a veto. And in the long run, I think you will have less stress with your commercial partners, which in our case has led to 0 written contracts and also 0 lawsuits over 14.5 years.
I followed his ideas from the very beginning, and I'm also a bit like a hippie, so I was very surprised from his idea that it still works after 14 years, because it's very important for him that all actors in the system are happy, and not only some get all the profit, but everybody works as he likes and has a good life.